It is October 11th, and today we are doing day 10 of our ADHD friendly pre-hibernation prep, where we are setting up some small systems every day that will help us out when winter is here. And today is kind of a fun one, kind of maybe not a fun one, depending on how you look at it. But we are going to create two different energy lists. And the first one is going to be a yes energy list. And this is basically a list of people, events, and things that fill our cup, that make us feel good, that give us energy during these winter months. And the no energy list is going to be a list of people, events, and things that drain us, that we want to try and avoid, that we want to do as little as possible. Some people might struggle with this, especially because the holidays can be a really rough time for a lot of people, depending on your family situation. So I think that what we can do when we look at this and creating our list is create the list in a way that it's maybe not necessarily like you're able to avoid all of the no's, but it's just that you're thinking about it, okay? If you have to go into a situation with family where you are not able to get out of it and you know that it is going to drain you, prepping for that is better than just kind of going in blind. So I think that's the goal here, is not necessarily to say I'm not going to hang out with any of these people or I'm not going to do any of these things, but just so that we can actually prepare for them if we are unable to not do them, and then maybe come home and do a few of our yes things or have some yes energy waiting for us at home. So this is what mine looks like. Just got two little toggles that I'm gonna fill with my yes energy and my no energy. I'm not gonna write a whole ton of stuff in here. I'm just gonna try to put like 5 to 10 things in each one. And that way, I think especially if I know that I have to do a no energy thing, I can just have some yes energy things waiting for me afterwards, or before, or both. We only have 3 more days before this is over, but if you haven't started, do not worry, you can find them all in a playlist on my profile. I will also be posting a video on the last day that quickly goes over all 14 days. So if you haven't been following along day by day and you want to just do everything all at once, it should make it really easy for you to just screenshot that and then do it when it works better for you. Go ahead and save this video and follow along so that you can be notified when the next video comes out tomorrow. A lot of people have also asked me if I'm going to be doing this in any other season, specifically summer, and yes, 100%. I've had so much fun with this, and I think that it's something that is so helpful. So if there's any areas of life where you would like me to do this, like a little seasonal challenge to set up some systems, or you have questions about other systems in general, or how I help my overwhelmed ADHD brain be productive and successful, just let me know in the comments or send me an email. I love helping you out, and I'm always here. If there's something I can offer and share, I'm always willing to do it. Okay, that's all for now. I'll see you tomorrow.